You are about to install a head gasket. Stop for a minute. There is one small mistake that can cost you to tear down your engine. And what is the mistake? You need to answer this question accurately. Should a head gasket be installed dry, or should I put sealant on it, or put engine oil on it? Many people believe that adding sealant gives extra protection to the head gasket, but in many cases that is exactly what causes head gasket to fail. In this video, I'm going to explain to details what you should do, whether you should put head sealant or oil on the head gasket. What is the meaning install dry? Install head gasket dry simply means you are placing the head gasket without applying anything. Not gasket sealer, not silicone, not grease, not oil. You are not putting anything. You are simply putting the head gasket on a clean cylinder deck, clean engine deck. That is simply mean. That is what is meant by install dry. Install dry. So should head gasket be installed dry? Most modern engine, the answer is yes. You need to install dry. If you are about to put your head gasket now, if your manufacturer does not tell you to put silicone or any gasket gauze, then don't add silicone. Don't spray the copper unless the manufacturer asks you to do so. Don't put grease. Don't apply engine oil. The head gasket was engineered to seal properly without these products. So why adding sealant can be a problem? When you add sealant, this is what happens. You are putting another layers on the head gasket, and with that layer, that is going to prevent the head gasket to sit properly, and also heat transfer between the head and the block may be affected. The heat must be transferred from the head to the engine block, and from the engine block to the head. There must be heat transfer, but when the heat is not properly transferred, there is going to be a problem. And when you are putting another layers of protection on the head gasket, that's going to prevent the transfer of heat. And sometimes too, it may even, because now when you add sealant on it, there is no way you are going to apply it balance. It will not be even, and that is going to cause it not to properly sit very well. Are there any exceptions? The answer is yes. If you are using old engines and your manufacturer tells you that you should spray or apply sealant, then you have to do. Many old engines, because there are pit holes, there's some small holes on your cylinder, on your engine deck, then there may be a reason why you should apply sealant or engine oil, so that to seal off it, but that should be from your manufacturer. So before installing your head gasket, this is what you need to do. You need to ensure that you clean your cylinder head and your engine deck, your engine block surface. You need to clean them. Ensure that there is no traces of old gasket, and ensure there is no oil, there is no coolant, there is no dirty on the surface. Then check for warp. If the cylinder head is not warped, if it's not warped, then go ahead and install your head gasket. But don't forget, I always tell people, don't reuse your head bolt. Do you know why? Because majority of the head bolt are torque to yield head bolt. Do you understand that? There's another video that I'm going to link to this that you can watch that talks a lot about torque to yield bolt. But sometimes not all the cylinder head bolts are torque to yield bolts. Some can be reused, but if yours is not to be reused, then don't reuse. So then you follow other normal protocol on how to install head gasket. So henceforth, install dry. Don't apply anything. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share to others. See you in another video.